Welcome to the Ability Beyond Transition Resource Center. This resource center has been developed to help families of individuals living with disabilities navigate the transition process when school-based services end and adult life begins. Module 7, Legal Matters and Self-Advocacy. In the Legal Matters and Self-Advocacy module, we will answer a variety of questions relating to legal considerations and guardianship planning for your child, including: what are important legal matters and self-advocacy considerations? Why is knowing about legal rights and being able to self-advocate so important for my child? What skills does my child need in order to exercise his or her legal rights and to self-advocate? Who can help my child with legal matters and self-advocacy? How do I move forward to help my child with legal matters? All modules contain supplemental materials and worksheets in PDF format. You may choose to either pause the video now and download the material or wait until after viewing the full module. So let's begin by answering the first question: what are important legal matters and self-advocacy considerations? Self-advocacy means speaking or acting for yourself. It means deciding what is best for you and taking charge of what you want. It means standing up for your rights as a person. Self-determination refers to characteristics of a person that leads them to make choices and decisions based on their preferences and interests, thus to support their actions to be goal-oriented and self-directing. Your child has all of the rights granted to a U.S. citizen and specific rights supporting individuals with disabilities under state and federal law. These include the Americans with Disabilities Act, the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, the Developmental Disabilities Act, the Rehabilitation Act, the Civil Rights of Institutionalized Persons Act, as well as the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, Fair Housing Act, and the Affordable Care Act. These are major laws accompanied by complex regulations. A description of each act is included in the PDF download for this module. Bottom line is that knowing about legal rights and being able to self-advocate is critical to assuring that your child is safe from discrimination and doesn't experience a restriction of his or her rights. You can help your child develop skills so that he or she can exercise their legal rights and self-advocate. A checklist of necessary skills has been provided in your PDF download. There are also numerous resources available to help, including self-advocacy groups such as People First or SABE, advocates, attorneys or legal aid clinics, state organizations overseeing protection and advocacy, members of your faith community, parent organizations, or your own circle of friends and colleagues. So how to move forward from here? You need to understand the differences between such terms as power of attorney, limited guardianship, plenary guardianship, conservatorship, and supported decision-making. In your PDF, you'll find a table which details the definitions of these confusing terms and associated action steps. Only you and your child, with the help of others you trust, can make decisions about what level of legal support she or he may need. The questions to ask yourself are: can I prove to a court that my child cannot make certain decisions for themselves? Do I want the expense of paying court and possibly attorneys or advocates' fees? Do I have a backup plan for whatever gets put into place? Am I being overprotective? If I am appointed guardian and my designated backup is no longer willing or can't fulfill responsibilities, am I willing to have a court-appointed stranger act on my behalf? Have I empowered my child to make age-appropriate choices, to know right from wrong, and to recognize when they need help? Or have I been doing everything for my child? Have I helped my child develop a circle of support through my family, friends, faith community, and others who can support their decision-making process? You must understand that total or partial guardianship or conservatorship can strip your child of some or all of their rights. So what are the next steps? It is important, whatever the result for your family is, that you continue to allow your child to make as many decisions as they can and, to the extent possible, honor their choices. This is true even if you end up being a conservator or plenary guardian. For some parents, this means learning to treat their adult son or daughter with a disability in an age-appropriate way. You can enroll your son or daughter in a local self-advocacy group. You can also look for self-advocacy skills online and find suitable videos your child can watch at home. You can also encourage those who know your child to respect his or her decisions. Start teaching your child to make choices and let them make choices that are age-appropriate. Definitely make sure that self-advocacy skills are part of the IEP. Please take the time to review the attached PDF, which includes worksheets to help you plan. Thank you for watching the Legal Matters and Self-Advocacy video. If you have questions or would like to speak with someone about services, please contact us at 888-832-8247. Please share our Resource Center with your friends and colleagues.